Air cooling handheld fiber laser welding machine is the use of laser beam as a heat source of a thermal processing technology. Can be aimed at mold and metalwork heat separation, scratch, pinhole, crack, damage, deformation and other defects to repair. Hand welding is flexible and convenient. Longer welding distance overcome the limitation of workbench space. Can also apply in the work to size which not uniform when automatic welding is not possible. Welding quality with high strength and little deformation. No need subsequent polish processing. Very smooth welding surface. Can work with automatic wire feeding system by our elaborate integrated welding gun. The revolutionary integrated design, very compact and portable, suitable for multifarious applications.